guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha, and because we're having such great weather, we're having a hot sale too on two of our great cars. One is the 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Let me show it to you. We have a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan ready to hit the lot, and it is priced just for this sale. Come on in and see us. We also have some other great cars, van and SUV options for you. But another one to show you is this one, the Kia Soul. Also, we have our Kia Soul. This one is ready to go home with you, road ready, low miles. And again, it is the special until Friday. So come out and see us at the Byrider Waukesha. You can call us at 262-506-3131. Or you can stop on in at W226 South 1700 Highway 164. As you see, inventory is not an issue here. We have cars that are ready to go.